Hello everyone, welcome to this video training. This is week number 4, video number 1, and what I'm going to discuss with you today is around email marketing, and I'm going to just explain an overview of how to use what Mailchimp look like, and also how to set up an email campaign. So majorly, email marketing is one of the best ways that you can reach your audience. A lot of people, although emails is falling, or the conversion rate on emails is falling, but email is still the number one way to keep your audience, because people don't buy from you, and when they are in the consideration stage, the best way to reach them will be via email. So once you have their email, then you can continually communicate with them at no cost to yourself, or at minimal cost to yourself, because you are paying for your Mailchimp or whatever email platform that you are using. So this is my platform, and this is my Mailchimp platform. Then I will advise that when you want to use Mailchimp, you sign up for a free account. There's a free account for about 1,000 or 5,000 contacts, I'm not sure, but at a point you start to pay. So I'm still on the free version too. I don't think I've used this plan. I don't think I have any list on this plan, but basically this is my account, and all I'm going to do right now is to sign into my account and show you how to have access, or how to navigate, and how to definitely then run your campaign. Okay, so prompting me to import my content, I already have one person here inside my content, so I really don't. So we can send that same we can send to that person all at once. So the next thing I need to do is campaigns. This is the campaign level. The campaign level allows you to create your newsletter, where you get to send a one-time email to somebody, and where you tell them about a new thing that is happening in the company, promos, your new write-up on the blog, a whole lot of things, maybe share testimonials with them in one single email. This is majorly a newsletter, and that is where you can create your campaign from. Then this is a template where you can choose from, where you don't want to you can create a template. You can choose a template from them, or you can create yours yourself. So you can code your own. You can choose your themes from the theme, and you can just choose from the layout itself. Then this is where the audience is. I think this is where I came out from. This is where you can add your audience, or the email list that you already have. And this is where the report is. You get to see firsthand how your campaign did, and what is really the numbers behind your campaign. You get to see firsthand what is happening, how many people opened your campaign, how many people clicked on your on a link, or how many people just took an action that you can actually itemize and base your decisions on. Then there is a part of your profile, where you get to upload your profile. There is the account part, and this allows you to do more stuff around creating the settings, billing, and payment, and integrations, trying to connect with other platforms that you can work with. So I think Mailchimp should be able to work with think PayPal, I'm not sure, but let's check. But those are the kind of things I'm talking about, like third-party apps that you can link with. So look at this: Facebook, Twitter, SurveyMonkey, Google Analytics, Salesforce, Zoho, AppSo, Canopy. Okay, so majorly this has some of the apps that you can connect with. Then so I think I've addressed on all of them. Okay, as you can see here, we have 2000. It's a free plan. You have 2000 content. You send 12,000. So if you exceed this, you exceed this before July 13, you are charged. If you exceed this, then you are charged. So majorly that's it. That's how to. Those are the major ways to actually or major platform or major features rather. I'll call it features. Major key features of Mailchimp that you have access to. Then let me now show you how to create a campaign and how to send a campaign to somebody. So the first thing you need to do is to click on create. Then you can click email. Then you name your campaign. Damilola. Okay, coffee. So begin. Now, so I can add the recipient. I want to send to this person. Then content. So what's the subject? Add the subject. Coffee art test. So it says have coffee with the best team, treat on us. Then this is, you can add a snippet here. I think I'll do this. Treat on us. Yes. Save. Then the content itself. Let's design our email. You can choose themes here. Okay, let me see if I can come across coffee. Okay, nothing like coffee. Alright, so let me pick one. Gotcha. Okay, so I think I can use some and I can use some, but whatever, what we just need to do is, okay, I can use this. Let's say I can use this. So all you have to do is to design things. Okay, so you can design and say okay, so I think it's a picture. Then I can decide to just keep this. So this is what we'll get. Let's save and exit. Now we have content. Let's say we have content. Then all we have to do so I can just send immediately. The next thing you have to do is when I click on send, this email will go out. I5 coffee treat will go out shortly. So let's wait for it in our email. Let me confirm the audience. I think it's my email. Contact. Okay. So let's see if it has entered. Okay, still waiting for it. Let's see if it comes in time soon. But majorly, I should get the email. I think it's going to take a while before I get it. But anyway, this is basically how to send your email campaign out to people. I hope this is kind of easy like the way I thought it would be. I will suggest that you watch the video one more time to get a glimpse of what I did and how I did them, because sometimes I think I was a little bit fast with the video. But whatever way, just make sure that you want to watch the video over again, and so you can get every part of what I've been talking about. So I wish you guys all the best, and I hope you become the online marketer that you want to be. Do have a great day.